Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Marvel Rivals game is crashing or crash on startup on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the Marvel Rivals game. Then just click on this gear icon and go to your game properties and you will see the launch option. Now if your game is crashing on startup, then just type this command. Now the first command is -dx11. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just type your -dx12. Now launch the game. If your game is still crash on startup, then just type your -d3d11. Now launch the game, then check. Now if your game is still crashing, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. And if you have the Discord installed on your PC, then just disable the Discord overlay, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just click on the install files, then just click on this verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing in mid game or crash on startup, then just click on this browse option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here simply look for your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and go to its properties, then just go to the compatibility tab and here just uncheck this box and just check the box of run this program as an administrator, then just click on this apply option, launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Now click on the apply, launch the game, then check. And if your game is crashing in mid game, then just check this box of compatibility mode and choose at the Windows 8. Now just click on this option of apply, click on the OK, now launch the game, then check. Now if your game is still crashing, then just make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, so open it. Now guys, click on this option of startup on the top you are seeing, then just disable all the applications you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and cause your game crashing issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just go to your Windows, type here the updates and just open up the Windows update. Guys, update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. And once you update your Windows and graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of these solutions and hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.